Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you guys how I did this pineapple theme weekly spread on my 5mm dotted grid A5 spiral bound notebook. Firstly, I divided my spread into 4 equal columns. Then I'm going to draw 2 pineapples on the top left side as background for my May calendar. After writing down my calendar, I am going to draw some dots with the yellow and green Crayola markers to frame it. Then with the same yellow Crayola marker, I am going to use it to highlight the week of this weekly spread. After that, I'm going to write down my weekly goals below the calendar. I am using my 1mm Pilot G2000 gel pen. My goals for this week is to update our Instagram account more consistently and also upload 2 YouTube videos which I failed terribly. Moving on, I am going to write down this week deadlines, which are tasks that I really need to complete before a certain date, especially my Etsy orders. For those who don't know, we have a Etsy store where we sell high quality, highly customizable, 100% handmade traveler's notebook wallet inserts, ring planner inserts, notebook inserts, spiral bound notebooks, and planner sticker. So please feel free to visit us, and if you have any more questions, please feel free to private message us. Back to this weekly spread. Since there's a little space at the bottom, I drew a big pineapple as background and I wrote a short quote on it which says, "I have the power to create the life that I desire." Moving on to the second column, I drew a yellow line as background for me to write my day of the week. And I always start my week on a Monday. After writing down the day and the date, I am going to write down the tasks I need to get done on that day. I also drew a checkbox with the Crayola markers in front of every task. On Monday, I plan to update the thumbnails on my Etsy store. Then I want to bring my rabbit out for a walk if it's not raining. And then I also plan to finish one chapter of my online English course. After that, I also want to work on some sticker design. Then for the important section, I am going to draw one dot in front of the word important and another dot behind of the word. Then I drew a circle around the 2 dots to make it easier to differentiate the important task from the normal task. The important tasks on Monday are to update the title and description for our YouTube videos, and also make a spiral bound notebook for myself. On Tuesday, I want to visit my aunt and bath her dog with medicated shampoo due to her bad skin condition. The important task on Tuesday is to record another Plan With Me video and continue to update our Etsy store product thumbnails. After that, since there's still a little space at the bottom, I wrote another quote which says, "Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground." After that, I used a green Crayola markers to draw a box around it with a drop shadow. Moving on to Wednesday, I want to catch up with my boyfriend's mom and my godparents. Because of the quarantine, we can't visit them. After that, I plan to just continue updating our shop thumbnails and also edit some videos and maybe also finish another chapter of my English course. The important task on Wednesday is to complete this week's Etsy orders. And then on Thursday, I'm going to visit my auntie house again to bathe the dog. After that, I need to do some research because I'm out of ideas, and my favorite website to research for ideas, motivation and inspiration is Pinterest. After that, I plan to film another daily spread Plan With Me video, or maybe continue to edit my YouTube videos. After that, I also want to update our Instagram account. Moving on to Friday, I plan to post a YouTube video, update the titles and description of my previous videos. I also hope to finish another chapter of my online English course along with the quizzes. I like to buy my online courses from udemy.com. The important task for Friday is to make sure that all of this week's orders are completed and ready to be delivered. Moving on to Saturday, I plan to visit my aunt's dog again and to see if she needed another medicated bath. Then I am going to design a simple digital planner for our new online store called Planning Prints Art. We plan to sell digital planners, digital stickers and printables over there. I'll link our new store in the description box below. Please go take a look because we are going to do an opening sale over there. After that, I am just going to update our Instagram account, edit more videos and continue to update the thumbnail for our Etsy store. This is going to take some time because we have hundreds of products for sale in our Etsy store. Moving on to Sunday, I used to always go cafe hopping with my boyfriend every Sunday, and I also sometimes like to film cafe vlogs. But due to the COVID-19 outbreak, we are under quarantine right now. So instead, I am just going to check and prepare some more Etsy orders, study some English, update our Instagram account, and I recently also purchased another Udemy course on how to create and design our own website. Since there's still a little space at the bottom, I am going to end it with another quote I found on Pinterest, which says, "Don't be too hard on yourself, okay? You are doing a really good job." This is just to remind myself and you guys that we are doing a good job, and even if we make mistakes sometimes, learn to forgive ourselves because we did our best and we will do better next time. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.